Before you start, make sure you smash this subscribe button. Click the bell icon to be notified for every video. We upload 2 times a day. Namaste.
Hello everyone! I'm here today with another amazing recipe for a homemade shampoo. And I'm going to tell you first of all why I want to share this recipe with you. I've been in a very big struggle for several years to find all natural shampoo that doesn't harm my hair. Finally, I actually naturally came to the extent that I'm not using shampoo anymore. Only on the occasions when I apply henna on my hair, I like to shampoo my hair afterwards because the henna is very sticky to the hair itself. And just washing it, rinsing it with water doesn't really work very well. But my struggle was really big. I mean, all the products that you see out there, even if they're vegan or even if they're labeled natural, they have a ton of ingredients that are so much not good for us. And believe me, I have tried everything. I have tried all natural things like coconut milk, aloe vera gel, just by itself, even the natural stuff, and the amla nuts, which are the soap nuts. And I've tried different brands of natural cosmetics and, shampoos and conditioners, and there's always such a big list of things that you have no idea what's inside. Until I actually finally came upon a blog, and I found out about one ingredient that can actually help to make your own shampoo very easily at home. So you literally need this ingredient, which will be a little bit more difficult to find, which is called cocoa glucoside. I'm gonna repeat, it's cocoa glucoside. I don't have the label here because that's not the original bottle that I bought it in, but you can order this stuff online. And this is actually going to be your foaming agent. The difference from the foaming agents in most of the conventional shampoos is that they are super harmful for the skin, for the scalp. And cocoa glucoside is a derivative from coconut oil and is much more mild and not so harmful for your skin, even though I still find it quite drying, and that's why I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients. But as a person who have very sensitive skin, I can tell that this is probably the best thing you can put on your skin in terms of washing it, unless you're using, of course, good natural soap, but I don't recommend this to be used on the hair itself. Anyways, so we move on to the recipe, which is super simple again. For this recipe, except the cocoa glucoside, you will need good aloe vera gel. I'm gonna leave you a link in the description to this brand that I found on iherbs.com, because most of the aloe vera gels that they sell, again, they have a ton of preservatives. And personally, me, I really don't like them, and I find this one quite good, even though there's still a couple of preservatives inside. Then you will need, this is optional actually, a few drops of argan oil. My bottle is a little bit stained because I keep it in the fridge and it's actually frozen. But that actually proves that it's a really good quality cold pressed argan oil. And then you need some black strap molasses if you have darker hair, or if your hair is blonde, you can actually use honey in this recipe, so you can substitute the black strap molasses. So I'm gonna start with the molasses, and you want to use pretty much very, very simple. So you just use like I'm gonna make a small amount, so I'm putting like half a spoon of blackstrap molasses. But to this you want to add again about half a spoon of cocoa glucoside, and then about half a spoon, so it's all in the ratio 1:1. Half a spoon of aloe vera gel. I'm just gonna add it here to fill my tablespoon, so that makes the amounts that I need. And then you just want to mix this very well. The blackstrap molasses is a little bit difficult, so if you need to use some water, use good non-mineralized table or spring water or reverse osmosis water, whatever you find available as best option. And then as a finishing touch, you can add some argan oil to this, just a few drops. Let me see if I can get this at all because it's kind of frozen. If your hair is more oily, you can even skip the argan oil, but it really gives a nice texture. And that's the result. You can add whatever essential oil you would love to this as well. Rosemary essential oil is really good for the hair, so you can put that. And as you can see, it's already starting to foam. It's not going to be super foamy as the conventional shampoo that you know, but actually this shows that this shampoo is really good, because the more it's foamy, the more of a foaming agent it has, and the more harmful it is. I hope you try this recipe, and if you do, if you like it, please give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below to let us know. And make sure to subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of other things to share with you, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.